Hurricane Charley brought sustained winds of 145 miles per hour and gusts exceeding 190 miles per hour. A 14-foot storm surge accompanied the hurricane. The storm resulted in 22 fatalities in Florida. Approximately 9,000 homes were destroyed or condemned due to the extensive damage. 1 out of every 4 businesses in Charlotte County was destroyed. Out of the 22 public schools, only 13 were operational following the storm. The power outage lasted 13 days for some residents. A staggering 141,647 people were left homeless. FEMA distributed 117,000 million liters of water. FEMA also distributed 5.7 million pounds of ice. The total damage estimates are up to $11 billion. There were 10,000 emergency workers deployed in Charlotte County. Around 3,000 National Guard members were also deployed. 3 hospitals were damaged beyond use. 9 fire stations were completely destroyed. 21 utility companies with 11,000 workers assisted in restoring power. Utility workers replaced 6,500 poles. They replaced 2,000 transformers. They also ran 800 miles of new cable. The American Red Cross distributed 8,000 meals 3 times a day in Charlotte and DeSoto counties. A 35-foot avocado tree was uprooted and pushed over. Small rose bushes in the front yard remained intact. Objects on shelves remained undisturbed despite adjacent walls collapsing. Cars and trucks were overturned and placed in unusual locations. Every street light in the county was blown away. Newspaper pictures provide documentation of the damage.